Welcome back to the channel. Today, inside this massive modern butter factory, the complete journey from fresh cream to finished butter will be revealed step by step.
Every block of butter begins long before the factory machines start running. It starts here, on
the milk moves directly into sealed transport systems within minutes of collection. Temperature control becomes critical from this point forward.
Specialized tanker trucks carry thousands of liters of milk every day. But before butter can be produced,
the milk is constantly cooled during transportation. Even small temperature changes can affect the final texture of the butter.
This facility processes enormous volumes of dairy products around the clock. Inside these walls,
pressure steady at 50 psi.
Flow rate confirmed.
Each batch is tested for purity, fat content, and freshness. The butter making process depends heavily on precise dairy composition.
Check the temperature on line 3.
Holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius, all systems nominal.
The cream is gently heated during pasteurization. This step removes harmful bacteria while protecting the flavor of the dairy fat.
After heating, the cream must be cooled quickly and evenly. Precise temperature shifts are essential for stable butter production.
Look, it's stabilizing right at 3 degrees. Good. Let's log it and move to the next section.
Viscosity levels are stable at 3.5.
Good. Maintain the current paddle speed.
Advanced sensors constantly monitor the cream as it moves through the system. Factories rely on precision data to maintain stable production quality.
human inspection still plays an important role inside modern factories. Experienced technicians verify that the cream meets exact processing standards.
The preparation stages are now complete. Next, the cream enters the powerful churning systems, where butter finally begins to form.
This is the heart of the butter-making process. Inside these rotating drums, cream begins its transformation into solid butter.
Continuous agitation forces the fat molecules to separate from the liquid. Over time, soft butter granules slowly begin to appear. As the process continues, the butter fat separates from the remaining liquid. The leftover buttermilk is removed from the system automatically. Removing excess liquid is critical for achieving the correct butter consistency. The process must remain controlled from beginning to end.
The consistency is excellent now. The folding process is complete.
For salted varieties, measured amounts of salt are added during blending. Precise dosing helps maintain flavor consistency across every batch.
Air removal improves the density and shelf stability of the butter. The final texture depends on careful pressure control during this stage. The transformation from cream to butter is now complete. But before reaching store shelves, every block
after the core manufacturing stage, the butter enters a highly controlled refinement process. Every movement must remain accurate and consistent.
Forming machines shape the butter into precise dimensions. Uniform size helps maintain consistency during packaging and storage. Human inspectors continue checking the product throughout the process. Texture and appearance are monitored at every stage. The packaging process begins immediately after shaping. Protective wrapping helps preserve freshness and flavor.
Sealing machines lock out air and external contamination. Each package must remain perfectly closed before leaving the line. Every package passes through automated weight verification systems. Products outside strict tolerances are removed automatically. Automation keeps the packaging line moving continuously. Precision handling reduces damage and improves production speed.
The butter is now fully refined and protected inside sealed packaging. Next comes inspection.
Advanced imaging systems search for even the smallest packaging defects. Faulty seals or damaged wrappers are removed immediately.
Automation allows the factory to inspect thousands of units every hour. Only products that meet strict standards continue through the system. Every shipment receives detailed tracking information before storage. These codes help factories trace products throughout the supply chain. Robotic systems prepare the finished products for large-scale distribution. Precise stacking improves storage efficiency and transport stability.
The butter is now prepared for delivery across stores and markets. But the final stage reveals how this...
After passing every inspection stage, the butter finally leaves the factory.
Temperature control continues even during transportation. The cold chain protects the butter from factory to retail shelf.
The finished butter finally reaches store shelves. What began as raw milk on a dairy farm is now ready for consumers.
Decroglians. Most consumers never see the complex industrial process behind a butter patch, a simple butter package.
The final product is designed for both flavor and consistency. Texture, color, and freshness are preserved throughout the entire journey.
The industrial process ultimately serves a simple purpose: to create a reliable product used in kitchens every day.
From dairy farms to advanced automation, every stage depends on precision and timing. Modern butter production. Factories like this operate continuously to meet global demand for dairy products.
The transformation from fresh milk to finished butter is finally complete. And by morning, the entire process will begin once again.